This card is really quick to make. All you need is one red colored pen and would be perfect for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or really any occasion. It's super versatile. Keep watching to see all of the supplies and a full tutorial on how to make this card. Shown here is everything you need to make this card. Like I previously mentioned, you just need one red colored pen, a pencil, and then whatever paper you're using for the base of your card. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. And apologies here for the poor quality of the video. The last step of this card is to simply just take your red pen and trace over all of the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn. So I started by drawing the kind of box or grid for this tic-tac-toe design card. And then once I'd done that, I simply just went in and drew in the X's and the hearts. So I just started working from the top left-hand corner over and then kind of down to the right of the card. I work kind of in this pattern or way for almost all the cards that I make. Because I'm right-handed, I find that way I'm not dragging my hand over the pen lines or pen that I had previously drawn, or at least I minimize that, and therefore the risk of me smudging those pen lines with my hand as I'm drawing in additional ones is reduced. And once you completed coloring in everything, this simple and versatile tic-tac-toe heart design card is complete.